Today is June 24th, 2022. Conditions are nominal for the rocket launches. I just have to transport all of my materials to the middle of that field over there. So, guess I gotta start taking the stuff. First rocket has been transported. Second rocket and fire extinguisher have been transported to the launch site. Now for the final launch materials. Gotta run all the way back. Actual engines and stuff are in here. Just gotta run it all the way back over there. It's now time for the final preparations of the rocket. Gotta take out the engines and the ignition. Just gotta get this stuff out. Alright, now I just gotta put the igniter and the plug in the rocket, that way it can launch. So, the rocket is prepared, so now I just have to put it in the rocket. This is the Estes Super Shot rocket. A pretty fun build. It took me like an hour or two. First rocket I ever built. Oops. Running a 1-man show here. It's a bit hard. There we go. Alright. Just gotta put the rocket in. Like this. And then here. There we go. Alright. Now we put it back on top. I thought this was going to be easy. Not so easy, apparently. There we go. Like that. Gonna straighten the launch pole. There we go. Okay. Now that everything is prepared, I just gotta back all of the stuff up, then attach the ignition. So we're just gonna put the rest of our rockets in here. We're gonna take our other rocket and the fire extinguisher back away. There we go. Right there. It's good. Now, just gotta get this. Take it away over here. Now, just gotta attach the ignition cable, which go. Just got. There we go. Now for the Now for the other one. There. Alright. There we go. It's attached. Now I can back up a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Alright. Launch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1? Oh wow. Parachute. Maybe. There you go, there's parachute. Alright. I don't even know if you can see that. Oh, it went really far. I gotta catch it. I got it. Yes. There you go. I got it. All right. Launch 1. We got the Alpha 3 rocket by Estes set up here. Took me another hour or 2 to build. And we will have a launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's unfortunate. That's gonna get caught in the trees. Actually, the wind's blowing against me. Thank you. Really? That guy was bending. Oh, it's coming down. It's coming down. Don't know if y'all can see it. It's pretty high up there. I'll actually get that one too. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna stay up there for so long. I really hope it's a bad thing. Oh, I can catch that. Go. Dang. Well, second rocket launch was a success. Went a lot farther than any of the other ones, but that'll be all for today. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. Goodbye.